more research unboxing of the TP-Link AC1200. This is a consumer grade, full gigabit dual band router that is one that I've been messing around with a bit, and it is great for use cases where you just have a few wireless devices, but for general home usage. But I do recommend that you update the firmware once you get it set up. But this is the unboxing experience. So let's see. Let me grab my handy dandy cutting tool, and you can find these devices for anywhere from 50 to 75 bucks, depending on where you shop. But here we go. So we have some basic box information. It has 867 megabits at 5 gigahertz or 300 megabits at 2.4 gigahertz, which is good. Not the greatest, but it's good. It has multiple in, multiple out, the MIMO technology, la-di-da-di, the standard stuff that you would get. But this is a great little budget device to get. Let's see. As far as opening, let's see if we can open it this way. The box is actually put together pretty solidly. So let's see. In the box, let's see, I want to set that off to the side. You get a well-wrapped device with, let's pull it all the way out of here. It comes in the packaging with the antennas already installed, individually wrapped, which is kind of interesting, but it's kind of frustrating at the same point, and you'll see why here in a second. But, I mean, for essentially 50 bucks, it's a decent device. Pull off that, and got the TP-Link logo. The LED light up is right here. What I was going to say about the antennas, you have to very interestingly unwrap each one of them, which I'll do here in just a little bit. But overall, it has a pretty decent construction, which is good. And in the box, don't know if you can see, you get some basic booklets. You got one on GNU, and I'm going to turn that off over there. You do get one network patch cable, which is good. And then you get the power adapter, which is also good. I'll set that off the side. Other than that, it's pretty simple for contents. Let's go back and look at the specs, because one of the things I forgot to mention is that it does have gigabit ports. And so you do have the standard 4 ports back here, 1 through 4. Standard internet. The actual power button, that's something that I really do like. And then probably hear me unwrapping it. Power adapter. Everything fits in pretty solid for what you get. I've had even some Linksys and D-Link, well, now they're the same. Netgear and some other devices that came out a lot more flimsy than this, which I'm very surprised by. There is some capabilities to set it up for VPN. You also can do the TP-Link mesh with their other devices. But all in all, for this unboxing, it's a pretty decent device to have. Great if you're on a budget. You just have that small office. Well, I wouldn't do it for business, that's for sure. But there's a lot of potential security concerns with some of the additional features that you would want in a business connection. But for, let's say that you have a couple family members that just need a basic router, definitely one to check out. I'm going to continue using this one for just a little bit, and I'll give you kind of an update on how the progress goes with it. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi router. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned until next time. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you very much.